Assalamualaikum and greetings to Dr. Shahdatun Naim binti Azmi. So we are from Group 10. Here in this video, we will be presenting about Group Assignment Task 1 of Enterprise Resource Planning BIT 30502. So our group consists of 10 members. My name is Muhammad Daniel Iman bin Muhammad Isham. Matrix number CI240075 and all other members as listed here on this slide.
So for the first tool is Triton. Triton is a fully open source modular ERP system designed for small and medium-sized enterprise. It provides a complete suite of business applications including sales, supply chain, accounting, and human resource. Triton is developed using Python and use PostgreSQL as its backend database. It follows a three-tier architecture consisting of the Triton server, client and database, ensuring stability, security and scalability. First, we start with the parties module. Parties represent all people or organizations that interact with the business. This includes customers, suppliers, and employees. Here, I can create a new party by clicking New. I can fill the details, such as name, email, phone, and address. Next, we have products module. All items we sell or purchase are created here. To create a product, I can click the new product, enter the product name, set the product type, cost price, and selling price. For the financial modules, when a sales order is invoiced, Triton automatically generates accounting entries. I can open the invoice, validate it, and record payments. The system ensures proper integration between operation and finance. Next is purchases module. This module handles procurement from supplier. I can create a purchase order, choose a supplier from the parties module, and add the products we want to restock. Once the purchase is confirmed and the goods are received, the system automatically updates the warehouse stock. In the sales module, you can see all the sales that is being processed, such as sale date, party, untaxed, invoice state, and shipment state. For the inventory module, Triton uses warehouse structure called locations such as supplier location, warehouse, and customer location. When sales and purchases are processed, inventory quantities update automatically. First, we start with the parties module. For the functional area classification, the first one is marketing and sales. This area includes the module sales, parties, products, and reporting. This module supports the entire sales cycle from customer data to final reporting. The second one is supply chain management. The SCM area consists of inventory and stock, purchases, products, and production. Together, this module ensures smooth operation from purchasing, warehousing, production up to delivery. The third one is finance and accounting. The finance and accounting area include the financial, invoice, and payment. This area manages all financial records and ensure accounting accuracy. And the fourth one is human resource management. Triton uses timesheet and parties to store all the staff information. Next is the pros and cons of Triton. For the pros, Triton is fast and user-friendly ERP system. It includes automatic inventory tracking and warehousing widget, which improves stock accuracy. It can generate reports instantly, helping managers make quick decisions. This trend makes Triton suitable for small and medium-sized business. For cons, however, Triton also has limitation. It does not include an asset tracker, meaning fixed asset management is not supported. There is no mobile version, so users must access it through a desktop environment. This limitation may affect business that require mobile accessibility or asset management.
So thank you, Lokman. Now I will continue for tool 2, which is Udo. So what is Udo? Udo itself is an open source business management where it contains integrated apps for ERP, CRM, accounting, and other functions. Its modular nature enables organizations to select and employ only the apps they require. So this make it extremely adaptable and scalable for business of all size. So that's a little bit introduction of Udo. Now I will make a short demonstration of one of the module of Udo, which is, so here we can see the bill of materials is missing a phone mount, but no worries. We'll just add one easily from the product catalog. So there we go. Now our bike is ready to be manufactured. So let's move on to where the magic happens, the production floor. Here's our raw and manufacturing order. So we would like to add some note about safety measures when they install the electrical components. So the installation instructions for the electrical components are a bit long, but luckily operators can fold them after reading them to have a clearer view of the manufacturing order. So that's all for the demonstration of Udo manufacturing. For functional areas classification, Udo actually has several functional areas, and here Udo has five functional areas. First, sales or marketing, which related to CRM and sales, and then number two, operations or supply chain, which is inventory management or manufacturing, and then number three, finance, which means finance and accounting, and then human resource, where it's about HR management itself, and then last but not least, project management. Pros and cons of Odoo. So here, Odoo has three pros, which is the first one is it is highly modular with Odoo studio customization, and then second, seamless integration and real-time efficiency. Third, scalable, cost-effective, and community support. And then cons of Odoo. Okay, the first one would be it requires steep learning curve for customization, and then it's also resource heavy for large setup. And the last one, the enterprise features are limited in the community edition. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
So next is tool 3, which is Flectra. So this is the free open source CRM and ERP system. So Flectra is the next generation business information system that helps grow business with powerful modular design, covering all essential aspects of a business. So here are the module of the tool. First, we have the finance apps. Alright, we have the sales apps. We have the marketing apps, inventory and MRP apps. And we also have website apps, human resources and service apps, and also productivity apps. Okay, now I show you the demo of the Flectra. So here we can see all the module of the tools. Okay, we can see the message here and the updates, and we have the maintenance, and we can see the theme customizer. Alright, so there's my company, and we first select the cells. Okay, so it shows the orders. Okay, now I want to add new order, such as V3 SDM BHD. I put all the details. Okay, so the state is Johor, the country is Malaysia, so my phone number and email also there. So I try to put a picture. Okay, so that is my picture, and then I will save it manually. I save it manually, and if I try to click on the orders, so it appear. The orders now it appear. And now we are on the product side. Let's see, there are many products. Now I want to add new product, which is the computer. So we put the price and the product type, and also we clarify the cost of the product. Okay, so same again, add another picture. So of course a picture of computer, and save manually and click again on product and it will appear there. Computer, okay. Now sales orders. Okay, now we create a new sales order for 3 SDMHD, also the same address, and then large meeting table, we put the product, we put the quantity, okay, for example 20 30. So we confirm, and then we can create invoice based on that. Okay, so confirm, and it shows the customer invoice. Okay, now go to the orders and appear that in the sales orders. Okay, now we go to the, we can see, we can click on it, click the order date, okay, click on the order details, and we can go to the multiple apps again. Okay, go to the multiple apps again. Alright, now we are on the purchase. Okay, so on the purchase we have orders. Okay, click on the orders, click on put on the details. For example, Fitri, and we put on the expected arrive date, and we just fill in the product details. Alright, so it's the same like that. Okay, same like that, same like before. Okay, so it will appear the unit price, the taxes, all the total, and then we can confirm order. We can send the customer by email or bill, okay, and then we invoice and then validate. Okay, after we validate, we can see the details. Okay, so we click on the orders again. Okay, it will appear on the information there, and then purchase order. So it will appear reference, vendor, okay, company. Okay, you can see all the details there. So here are the functional areas classifications. The first one for finance and accounting. Accounting, we have invoicing, expenses, and assets. And next for the sales and marketing, we have HRM, sales, point of sale, marketing automation. And for supply chain management, we have inventory, purchase, warehouse management. And for manufacturing and production, manufacturing, maintenance, and the quality. And for human resources, HR, payroll, recruitment, or appraisal. And for project management, we have projects, timesheets, and help desk. For website and e-commerce, website builder, e-commerce, and blog. So for business intelligence, we have dashboard, reporting, and analytics. So Flectra also has its pros and its cons. So the pros are includes enterprise level features in free version. Okay, so Flectra also has no user or module limitations in community editions. And Flectra also have regular updates with security patches. Flectra also clean, modern user interface, and strong reporting and analytics capabilities. Good documentation and community support. But also multiple deployment options, which is cloud, on-premise, and hybrid. And the cons of Lecture is it is a smaller community compared to Odoo, and it has limited third-party app marketplace and fewer implementation partners available. Lecture also have occasional compatibility issues with Odoo modules and less brand recognition in the market.
The next one is conclusion. Odoo was chosen as the main ERP tool because it provides the best balance of functionality, usability, and support compared to Triton and Flectra. Odoo's modular structure allows the system to be customized based on the project requirement, recovery all key business areas such as sales, inventory, finance, human resource, and customer relationship management.